Friends, we did a video some time back in which we talked about the hints which we were receiving from Cognizant and the internal information which we were receiving from Cognizant about the layoffs which they are planning. We were called by some of the people in Cognizant or claiming that at least they work in Cognizant and they were slightly apprehensive about the news. But here we are now, where what we said around 1 or 2 weeks back is coming true. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Due to the coronavirus impact, different companies are opting for different measures. While some are reducing the salaries, others are firing them. In today's video, we will bring you the updates from the IT behemoth Cognizant, who has initiated voluntary retirement scheme for their employees in USA, and various mid and senior level executives are on the radar to be fired. We will talk about the benefits which Cognizant is also offering. So watch the video till the end to gain complete insights. If you want to get into product based companies, we have a special masterclass program management training going on for you. This training is especially designed for the people who are working in service based companies in mid management, and also the project and program managers working in product based companies who want to excel their skills. This is a comprehensive masterclass training which will enable you to crack the job interview in product based organization for a program manager or a technical program manager role, and will also make you job ready. We would highly recommend you to go in the description and contact us now for free consultation. This program management masterclass will enable you to work as PM or TPM and will also enable you to ace the interview. So Cognizant has offered a voluntary separation package for US employees who move to the bench between 1st of May to 31st of August 2020, as Cognizant sees fewer opportunities because of the coronavirus situation. Cognizant has sent an internal email wherein they have introduced voluntary separation package VSP for US employees only who move to bench. This package includes 8 weeks of pay and health insurance benefits for 3 months. The employees have been given 14 days of time to decide whether they want to opt for the severance package and leave or continue on the bench. So this VRS scheme is for selected employees and will not be applicable to all the employees. So in the IT world, bench employees are those employees who do not have any projects and are waiting for their next work. So this VRS offer is completely voluntary, and employees can opt for this offer only if they agree. Now let's understand the other update which is also coming from Cognizant, wherein Cognizant has already or is going to ask around 400 or more executives to leave. And who are these employees? What title do they hold? So these employees hold the title of directors, senior directors, associate vice presidents, VPs, and senior vice presidents. So mid senior and executive level employees are being asked by Cognizant to leave, and the layoff will happen in a staggered manner. The severance package which will be offered is 3 months fixed pay for every employee and 1 week of additional pay for every year of service completed. So this layoff of executives and mid-level employees will happen in India and across the globe. What do you guys feel about this? Are you impacted? Do let us know in the comment section. Friends, if you are unaware of our book, How to Be Invincible During Layoffs, and haven't read it yet, then this message is for you. How to Be Invincible During Layoffs is a complete guide to enable you to win under any types of terminations. From this book, you will be able to understand the indicators and signs of any types of layoffs. And once you understand these signs, this book contains the actions which you need to take. We have talked about how you can prevent layoffs and what you need to do once you see the indicators which are mentioned in this book. So this book talks about what could lead to layoff, and then we have also talked about in case if the layoff happens, what to do during layoff. How should you negotiate the best proposal out there? And don't leave any money on the table. There are various types of layoffs. In this book, you will find specific strategies to get the best out of your organization against various types of layoffs. So we highly recommend you to go ahead and buy the book right now. You will find the Amazon link of this book in the description. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.